E-games, e-sabong, yun ang gusto nilang ipalit daw sa Pogo. Without of course, us admitting that Pogo will disappear. E-games, sector to thrive with ban on Pogos. As if it will change anything. Ano? E-games, e-sabong, yun ang gusto nilang ipalit daw sa Pogo. Without of course, us admitting that Pogo will disappear. Merong narinig tayo, nababasa po tayo, may 12 Pogo na nire-retain or nire-request na i-retain or nasasabi na papalitan ng pangalan to ano ba, internet games or something like that, ano. But actively they are promoting the return of or the invigoration, pagpapalakas po ng e-games and e-sabong. So what's the difference? You think there will be less crime with these kinds of operations? No, there will not be. It will be the same. It will be the shady characters who will go into this business. And of course, kasama po, including sa Pogo rin yung mga upper class businessmen. Ano? So wag na po tayong maglokohan. No? We need a revolution that will restore the productive economy, the physical economy, concentrate on boosting agricultural and industrial production. Of course, we do not have the internal supply chain. We do not have the internal market to sustain a global leading industrial effort. That is why we must have good relations with the top economic power of the world, which is China, where we can tie up and where they can take advantage of our large educated talent pool. That is the only way we can industrialize, by collaborating with the industrial powers. Hindi na po yan ang Amerika. Wala na pong industrial capacity ang Amerika. It is now China. It used to be in the 1980s Japan. Pero naunahan naman ng Pilipinas ng Malaysia at Thailand doon sa Japan. Wala po tayong pupuntahan kung hindi po tayo magbago itong mga ito. Kung lalo na ngayon, balik na naman sa e-games, e-sabong.